to my channel, and today I am here with a very important video for class 7, and it can go to higher levels as well, because for those whose basics are not clear, this will be really very helpful video. The topic which I am taking, it is a continuation. It is the third video of this topic. The topic is triangle and its properties. Two very important questions figures I have already put up on the board. First we will be discussing these two questions, and then we have already done angle sum property and the properties of a triangle otherwise, and today we are going to take up one more property after these two questions, and that property will be the exterior angle property. So stay tuned, stay connected till the end of the video. If you like the content, you think that maths is becoming easy for you, don't share to like the video and subscribe the video. So let's begin. Here I have a questions figure is already on the board. I will read the question for you. In the figure, the triangle ABC, we are talking of this triangle, okay? It is right angled at B. I have drawn the sign of right angle, which means that the angle here is 90 degree. Q and R are points on BC produced and BC respectively. See, if I produce BC to this point, this is point Q, and R is a point lying on BC. Just a minute. Alright. So R is a point on BC and Q lies on BC produced to Q. Then there is a point P such that QP, where is QP? QP is parallel to AB and RP is parallel to AC. It is given that this line is parallel to this. I have drawn the sign of parallel, and this line is parallel to this. We have drawn the sign of this also. In this question, we have to find angle P. So what we have to find? Angle P, which is, this is the angle which I am supposed to find. I have put a question mark over there. Now, we will note down what is given to us. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. This is given to us. RP is parallel to AC is given to us. This is given. Alright. And PQ is parallel to AB is also given to us. This is the information which is provided to us in the question, and we have to find angle P. Now you see what I am going to use. Here there are parallel lines given to me. So I'll tap on that fact and find out angle P. First of all, I am writing angle ABC, which is this angle. Okay? Angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, which is equal to this angle. Why are these two angles? Because they are alternate interior angles between the parallel lines AB and PQ. And I assume them equal to X. Okay? Alternate interior angles. These are two very good questions. So please be really attentive when you listen to this. Similarly, I am taking angle ACB, which is this angle which I am taking, is equal to angle PRQ. And I take it equal to Y. This is equal to this. Same thing. These are alternate interior angles between the parallel lines AC and RP. So I mentioned this also, alternate interior angles. Okay, this is one thing. So I get this as Y and this as X. Now one more thing. In triangle ABC, what will I get? X, because this is also X and this is Y. x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. I have been using this short form angle sum property. So I get from this triangle that x plus y is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. Now I move on to the next triangle. In triangle RPQ, x plus y plus angle P, which I have to find, will also be equal to 180. Same reason, angle sum property. We have already found out that x plus y is 90. So here instead of x plus y, I will be using what? I will be using 90. So 90 plus angle P is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90 degrees, just shown या just proved. ये हमने अभी ऊपर दिखाया ही है. Okay. Therefore, angle P is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees. The answer for angle P. A very good question, and every step I have told you very, very clearly. I hope it is clear to you. Have a look at this. Then I have another very good question for you, for which the figure has already been noted. Okay. So now we will move on to the next question. And the next question, figure is already there. Let me see what the question is. The question is, okay, in triangle, in triangle ABC, you can see the triangle ABC. First, we understand the question, all right? So, the question is, in triangle ABC, angle B is given 60 and angle C is given 40. This is given to us. It is also given that AL is perpendicular to BC. This AL is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So I have already drawn this 90 degree angle. Then it also says that AD bisects angle A. This AD is the bisector of angle A, means the line AD is dividing this angle A into two equal parts. This is the information provided in the question. AD bisects angle A such that L and D lie on the side BC. And in this question, we have to find which angle? We have to find angle LAD. First, let me mark that angle which I am supposed to find, LAD. This is the angle which we have to find. Now we will record the information which is given to us. The information given is angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 40 degrees. Angle ALD is equal to 90 degrees because it is a perpendicular. Okay, this much is given to us. And now we have to find angle LAD. Again, how will I find this angle? I only know one angle inside this. So how will I go about it? Now you see what steps I am going to follow. This will be done in three different long steps. So the first one is I am using triangle ABL. Which triangle I am using? Triangle ABL, and I will find this angle BAL. In triangle ABL, angle ALB is equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degrees. What is the reason? The reason is linear pair. We have already done this type of questions. Okay, linear pair. If you have not gone through, you can refer to my previous videos of this chapter. Alright, so I get this angle as 90. This is 60. I have to find angle BAL. 60 plus 90 plus angle BAL is equal to 180. Angle BAL is equal to 180. We get this as 30 degrees because of the angle sum property. This is 60, this is 90. So this will be coming to 30. Okay. Now we move on to the triangle. Now we take another triangle and that one is AD. Now ALC. We will take ALC because in this triangle ALC I know two angles 90 and 40. Okay. So in triangle ALC, angle LAC plus 90 plus 40 is equal to 180. Same reason, angle sum property. So we have to think, we have to ponder what is the strategy behind this question. Angle LAC is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. Now if I look at the angles which I have found, this angle, the one I am coloring, is 30 degrees and this whole angle is 50 degrees. We have just calculated, but I need to find angle LAD. Now what I will use, it is also given to me that AD is the bisector of angle A. This is given to me, okay? I'll write in the bracket given. Because AD is the bisector of angle A, therefore, now this is the very important step over here. Therefore, angle BAD should be equal to angle DAC because it is the angle bisector. Now if I look at this, what is angle BAD? BAD will be 30 plus LAD. Okay. So 30 plus angle LAD should be equal to DAC. What is? Sorry, this whole thing is not 50. This whole thing is 50, right? So what will be angle LAD? It will be 50. Now we have to find this angle. There it is equal to angle. Where is it? BAD is equal to DAC. DAC will be 50 minus LAD. Look here. If from this 50 I will reduce this LAD, I will get this angle DAC. So this will be equal to 50 minus angle LAD. Alright. Now we will solve this just like an equation. I can take it x also, but I have written it only LAD. So let me continue like this. LAD, this is coming this side and becoming plus, is equal to 50, 30 going that side becoming minus. So I get 2 times of angle LAD is equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, angle LAD is equal to 20 upon 2 is equal to 10 degrees is the answer. A very nice question again. You can have a look at this question very carefully, and if it is clear, then we will move on to more questions and we will be discussing a new property in this video today, and that property is the angle sum. The new property which we are going to discuss is the exterior angle property. Okay, and then we can use that exterior angle property also to solve different type of questions to find the required, that is the unknown angles. Okay children, so you need practice. You can go through this video again to see the solution of these questions. Then you do it on your own, and in case you are stuck, you can go through it again. But if you will practice 1 or 2 times, definitely you will be able to solve such questions with real ease. So we are now moving to the next property, exterior angle property. To understand this property, you need to know what is exterior angle and then what is the property related to this exterior angle. Any triangle, we talk of any triangle, okay, will have three exterior angles. How are the exterior angles formed? If I take any triangle, alright, so this is the triangle and I name it A, B, C. Then if I produce any side, if I extend any side, suppose I am producing BC, then this becomes the exterior angle C. The angles inside the triangle are the interior angles. The angles outside the triangle are the exterior angles. So this will be exterior, written as exterior angle C. Similarly, if I produce this side, this will become exterior angle A. And if I produce this side, the angle between the produced side and the side of the triangle becomes exterior angle B. So any triangle will have three exterior angles. Now the property behind it, this is the identification of the exterior angle. Now the property. The value of any exterior angle is equal to, listen very carefully, the value of any exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. Now suppose I am talking of angle C. Which are the two angles opposite to this angle? It is of course angle A and angle B. So the value of exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. I hope you got it. So if I ask you what is exterior angle A, can you tell me what it will be? It will be equal to angle B plus angle C. These are the interior angles. So if I have to find this, it will be the sum of opposite two interior angles. Similarly, we will have for angle B as well. It will be equal to angle A plus angle C. Whichever exterior angle is there, उससे opposite दो angles को plus करेंगे, तो we will get the value of that exterior angle. Okay children, it's a very nice property and we will be using it in now questions of different type. Okay. So let me take the first question for this property. And the question is, okay, let me draw the figure first. Quickly getting the figure. Alright, this is the figure and this is the line. This is given 70. This is the figure and I have to find the value of x in this particular question. Okay. This can be the first part to this question. And now here, what property I can use? This is the exterior angle I can see of the triangle ABC. This is equal to the sum of opposite two interior angles. So what will I write here? Simply x plus 30 is equal to 70 degrees. And what reason I am going to write? This is called the exterior angle property. Okay children, if it is clear, you let me know that you understood everything. And now simply it is x is equal to 70 minus 30, which is equal to 40 degrees. This becomes the answer to this particular question. This is a simple question about the exterior angle property. I'll take up one more so that solving is clear to you. Another figure I'm drawing for you, and the figure is something like this. Alright. The naming of the triangle goes like, this is point A and this is L, M and N. In the figure, this is given to me 35 and this is given to me 50 degrees, and we have to find this angle which has been lettered as A. Alright, so now what will I get? Angle A is equal to angle M plus angle N, and same reason this is exterior angle property. The exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. So angle A is equal to 35 plus 50, which is equal to 85 degree as the answer to this question. Got it, children? Isn't it very interesting? If you pay attention, the maths is really fun. Alright, sorry for this mark. Now we will move on to the next question. Here also we have to find the lettered angle. Let me draw the figure to this question as well. This is now the second question, slightly complex because here we will be finding two unknown angles, right? And my triangle closes here. This is the figure. Now the naming of the figure is A, B, C, E, D. Okay, this is A, B, C, this is E, and this is D. Now what is given to me in the question? This one is given to me 40 degrees. Alright. Then this is one unknown letter X which I have to find. And this one is given to me 120 degrees. And this is the another unknown letter Y which is given to me. So we have to find X and Y in this case. If I look at this question and I try to find out, I can see that in this question, finding Y is easier first. So I will go for Y first and then we will solve X. Okay, so I write over here Y plus 120 is equal to 180. What is the property, children? What is this property? This property is linear pair. This is forming a linear pair. Alright. So I get Y is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. Right. Now I have to find X. I can say over here angle X, this is the second part, angle X is equal to angle A plus angle B, exterior angle property. This is the exterior angle. It will be equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. Y we have already found to be 60. So X will be equal to 40 plus 60 is equal to 100 degree. Can you see here, children? This is really easy questions coming up. Then I will be taking up a few more questions before I end this session. Quickly clearing this for you. Meanwhile, you have a look at that question. If it is clear and you are able to get it. This exterior angle property is really very interesting and easy, and you get the questions with ease. Now you see, if it is exterior angle C, it will be equal to A plus B. If it is exterior angle B, it will be equal to A plus C. So whichever exterior angle it is, you leave that and it is equal to the next one. It is equal to the sum of the other two. Did you get me what I am trying to say? If it is exterior angle C, so it will be equal to A plus B. If it is B, it will be equal to A plus C, and so on. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. And this is, we have done. Okay. Another very interesting question. This is the third question of the second one. second. We have done one, so second. Right, we have done two, so this is the third one. And the figure goes like this. We have a right angle triangle. One is a right angle triangle. Alright. This is 90. This is given 50. And then we have another triangle like this. Okay. And in this one, this is given 100. And this is given x. So we have to find x in this question. Before I begin, let me name the triangle. This is ABC and this is EFD. Alright, this is the naming. We have to find x. The moment we get the figure, the moment we get the idea, we start thinking, okay, now how to solve this question. To solve this question, what I am going to use is, this is x, this is 100. I can use the triangle EDC, but for that I should know this angle. So now I will try to find this angle first and then I will use it in the triangle EDC. Alright. There are two different methods to solve this question. I am using this method. I will tell you the other method as well. So first I am taking in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, 50 plus 90, this is 50, this is 90, plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Angle ACB, 1 minute, okay. Angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees. So this angle comes to 40 degree. Now I will use triangle EDC to find x. So simple. There are more methods to it. You can use any method which clicks you first or which you find easy. In triangle DEC, 100 plus 40 plus x is equal to 180. Same angle sum property. X is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees. So we finally get x is equal to 40 degree as the answer. Right, children? Did you get it? Now, the other method I'll tell you orally. This is the exterior angle, so I can find this angle first. 50 plus this angle will give me 100, so this will become 50. This and this are vertically opposite angle, so this will also be 50. This is 90. 90 plus 50 plus x, it will again give me the answer as 40 degrees. So no matter whichever method you use, the answer you will get the same if your method is correct. Now in the next session, we will be taking up some more questions on this property, that is the exterior angle property. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Stay safe, continue studying, do like and share the video. Bye-bye children.